I quite literally am a silly goose, and I'm trying not to drop my phone. So I'm happy that you know, I put my stuff down. So now I can have my hands free so I can actually take the thing. I'm trying so hard not to be hard on myself. This looks so cool. Should we go inside? Maybe we take our photo inside. Okay, let's just figure this out on the site. Hello.
You should. You definitely should. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket. And this is my own tripod that I purchased separately, but it's really cool because you can track yourself.
You added, and you went to school for that?
No. I've just been creative my whole life.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm from New York, but I live here.
Oh, nice. Oh, you can help me. Can we exchange?
Of course.
numbers?
Yeah. Look what happens when you're not hard on yourself. I love it. I meet people everywhere I go, guys. I keep telling you. Okay. So I love doing this. So it's like, yes, call me, please. Because like I love talking about this. Okay, so I'll give you my number. I was just talking about this and how I wanted to talk more about my process.
Oh, good. And what's your name?
Oh, I'm Omara. I forget to do that all the time.
Tamika.
Hey, Tamika.
Nice to
I think my cousin's name is Tamika. I'm heading to an open mic right now, and it's always nerve-wracking for me. But I'm trying to record for the audience, and so I just got distracted over here.
Okay. And I distracted.
And those who are watching this transformation will think that you have suddenly become magical. They will want to know what magic wand you have found. And you will say to them, I made peace with me. I stopped finding fault with me. I stopped finding fault with you. I stopped looking for reasons to feel bad. And
Boom, bop. I am so excited to talk to you about all the things that we mentioned in person. It was a pleasure running into you, and I'm just gonna give you this information in video form. Hey Tamika, I'm so excited that I finally am making this video because our talk at the Golden Belt campus was such a spark, and it really inspired me to break down how I use the tools to share my world. So I've always been an artist, but vlogging has become my favorite way to open up and express that vision on my own terms. My journey with the lens really hits its stride during my first trip to Washington, D.C. I was on a school field trip and my mother supplied me with a camera, and I was so happy just to capture the monuments and the energy of the city. I still have those photos, and looking back, I can see that same creative eye that I'm using right now. People have always recognized the artist in me, and now I'm fully embracing that natural ability. So first, the foundations. When you're just starting out, the most important thing is to simply have a tool that allows you to be seen. For me, it's my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the mic that comes along with it. This thing is a game changer because of the built-in gimbal. It keeps the footage perfectly smooth while I'm walking, whether through a city or just moving around my own space. Also, I use my own phone. I have the iPhone 17 Pro. It's always with me, so I catch those sudden, beautiful moments that I just don't want to miss. When I want to elevate the video from a simple capture to a real artistic experience, that's when I bring in the specialized layers. I have my Sony ZV-E10. This is my secret for that high-end professional look. It has a large sensor, which gives me that beautiful soft background blur that makes everything feel more intimate and focused. I use this primarily for my sit-down segments or when I really want to highlight the details of a moment. It's lightweight, it has a flip-out screen so I can always see my frame, and it's specifically designed to make skin tones look natural and vibrant. Then, to really open up the world, I use my DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone is how I add scale. Instead of just showing you where I am from eye level, I can take you above the trees or to the skyline to show you the whole environment. It adds a cinematic texture that a handheld camera just can't reach. And the best part about the Mini 3 Pro is that it's super beginner friendly and it fits right in my bag. Between the sharp 4K detail of the Sony and the sweeping views from the drone, these two tools are how I turn a daily vlog into something that feels like a piece of art. Tamika, don't look at everything that I have and think that that's everything you need to start. This is just the 101 of how I do my vlogging, because vlogging is actually much simpler. The best camera is the one that you already have. If you're just starting out, stick with your phone. Modern phones are powerful enough to film, edit, and post an entire show. If you want to level up that phone setup, just focus on two small things. A simple tripod. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something steady so you can set your phone down and move freely in the frame. And also a plug-in microphone. Good audio is the fastest way to make a beginner video feel professional. You can find tiny mics that plug right into your phone for a huge jump in quality. If you do want a dedicated camera but aren't ready for a full professional rig, look into point and shoots like the Sony ZV-E10 or the Canon PowerShot V10. They're small and easy to use and designed specifically for vlogging. And finally, do not forget the boring essentials that save your life. Extra batteries and high-speed SD cards. There is nothing worse than being in the creative flow and having your gear cut out on you. I'll leave the links to some specific starter kits in the description below that are perfect for getting your feet wet without the overwhelm. So Tamika, I hope this helps you see that your voice and your vision are what matters the most. The gear is there just to help you share it. To everyone else watching, if you have questions about the Sony, the drone, or how to start your own vlogging journey, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your process. I really hope that this helped you find your own path. Whether you're leaning into using your smartphone, or you want to get into the DJI cameras, Sony, or any other tools, the most important thing is that you're finally giving yourself the space to be seen. To everyone else watching, if you have questions about the specific items that I use, my process, or how I navigate vlogging, please leave a comment below, because I'd love to hear what gear you're curious about or what your own creative journey looks like. I'll have the links to everything I mentioned, plus some solid beginner starter kits in the description. Thank you for being a part of this space with me. Let's keep marinating. I'll see you in the next one.